Hey guys, it's A&T Academy and this is a math tutorial on pi. So happy belated Pi Day. As you know, pi was on March 14th.
Pi Day.
Yes, Pi Day. We won't go into too much detail about this, but many festivities, especially in your math class, might occur. As in our math class, we had a pi reciting contest. Who can recite the most numbers of pi? Pi digits. If you wanted to know, I got 38 digits. I think 38, right?
Yeah.
The winner got 68, so he got a prize. What did he get?
Yeah,
he got like Tootsie Rolls, right?
Yeah, Tootsie
So
Rolls
remember,
flavored.
if you study some pi, you might get some candy. And pi is awesome, right? Pi is just awesome. So here's my partner with, what the heck is pi?
Yeah. So, pi. 3.141592635358997 and so on, blah blah blah. Alright? So pi is an irrational number which neither terminates nor repeats. So now terminating decimals are decimals that stops. For terminate means stop. So it doesn't repeat either. So let's just say 3.141414. It doesn't do that. It doesn't repeat any digit on and on in a continuous pattern. So it's neither of those, making it irrational. So here's my partner who will review the vocab terms. So yeah.
So some vocab you might want to know before we actually get into this. One word, radius. So you have the circle here, right? If you split the circle right down the middle, okay? Or if you split it like just any way, vertically or horizontally, half of that distance is called the radius, okay? And the full length of that, right? If as you see here, the full length of that is called diameter. So, as if you can make an inference, diameter is 2 times the radius. Now, what else you need to know is area and circumference, because that's what we'll be finding today. Area is basically just how much area is in this space right between the edges of the lines of the circle at the edge. So this whole space here, that's called the area. The circumference is like the perimeter of like a square, except this is a circle. So the circumference is just how long, if you go from here all the way around to here, the length of that is the circumference. Here's my partner with the area of a circle using pi.
Yep. You heard that right. So today I'm going to be helping you find the area of a circle. So now, of course, this has to do something with pi. Otherwise, we wouldn't be like happy belated Pi Day and recite some of the digits of pi. So therefore, the area of a circle is equal to the number pi times the radius to the power of 2. So radius squared. So full formula is area equals pi r squared. So yeah. So now to find this, so now we have to have a digit to substitute in for r. So in that case, we'll just say that the radius of the circle is 6, okay? So now what we have to do is substitute 6 in for r, for radius. So I'm going to write here, so a equals, okay, so pi and 6 squared. So we're going to write times, the dot equals the multiplication symbol. So now we have our, now we inputted our variable and now everything's more easy. So so now as you know, 6 squared should be equal to 36. I'm pretty sure most of you should know that. Equals, so pi times 36. And now we have our area, which is a equals to 36 pi. So that's our area. That's the formula to find area of a circle. And yep. So now here's my partner on how to find the circumference of a circle. So yeah.
So hey guys, circumference of a circle. So the formula basically C stands for circumference. So C equals to pi d. Pi meaning pi, and d meaning diameter, which we just went over. So let's say we're trying to solve for the circumference, right? From this point, we already mentioned, all the way back to here, except this close, tighter circle. So we have to do C, if you can see my work here, C equals to pi times d. Now what is d? D can vary between circles, but let's say in this circle, d is equal to, let's say, 4. So now we have 4 as in d, right? So 4 is equal to d. Switching sides. So then we have c equals to pi times 4, that little dot signing multiplication. So the circumference is c equals to 4 pi. Now, we're writing 4 pi because that's normally the standard way. So normally you can use 3.14 for pi. That sometimes at a younger grade, maybe 6th, 7th grade, you might use 3.14 for pi. But as you later get on to more complicated problems, you probably will be using just pi. So we could be saying c equals 4 times 3.14, but we'll be just using 4 pi to learn our circumference and area. So that was our video for today. So make sure to check out our math, our other math videos, our science videos, and our gaming videos that we will be making. Again, happy belated Pi Day, right? Pi is always a fun thing to learn about. Again, make sure to check it out. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share with our videos with anything you think who might be interested. Anything you have to say?
Yeah, first of all, these we know are not 38 digits in case, we just did not want to fill up the entire whiteboard. And also, yeah. That's
that was
pretty much it.
Remember, pi is irrational. It goes on forever and forever.
Irrational.
Irrational.
Yeah.
That's what I meant to say, sorry.
Yeah.
And you can probably find many digits of pi online. I think there's a website, 1 million digits of pi.
There's actually 22 trillion using a bunch of formulas that were discovered in before the times before.
How can it be 22 trillion? It's irrational. It has to go on forever.
Yep. It has to be infinite. But
here, and by the way, comment below if you want to see a video of my partner and I doing a pi reciting contest, because let's see who will win, who will come on top, right? Because I know 38. He knows however much he knows, but
I don't know.
He probably doesn't know a lot. But
I only know like 5.
Yeah, but if we actually do this, if you comment below and you want to do it, right, then he might study, right? He might learn some more. I would definitely learn some more because he might want to beat me. But, that could be fun, pi reciting contest. Anyway, again, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Bye, guys. Thanks.